colleges and the serene atmosphere, this place is an apt destination for weekend getaways from Mumbai. Number 1. Dawa Dusheth Halwai Ganesh Temple. This temple was built by a Halwai in remembrance of his lost child. Thousands of pilgrims come here for their wish to get fulfilled. The temple is dedicated to Ganesh and is built with white marble. Second, Darshan Museum. This museum has light and sound shows shown through 3D holographic technologies. The shows are based on the life of Sadhu Vaswani. The story depicts the moral lesson of universal wisdom and encompasses different life stories of the saint. It is a 100-minute show showing everything about him. Third, Shaniwar Wada. The place used to be the home to the Peshwa rulers. It was built by Shivaji in 1736. Now, the palace has been destroyed due to the fire which broke out in an ancient time, but still it holds an important place in the city. At number 4, Sinhagar Fort. It is one of the isolated cliffs in the Bulaswar range of the Sahyadris of the city. The fort holds many myths and tales which are associated with the building of the fort. Today, the place stands as a great example of a glorious period of Pune and comes under some of the best tourist places to visit in Pune. Fifth, Pula Deshpande Garden. Considered to be one of the largest gardens in the city, it is also called as Pune Okyama Friendship Garden. The name was coined due to the 300-year-old Okyama Parapu in garden. The most beautiful thing to watch is the uncanny natural flow of water. The garden spread across an area of 10 acres. Sixth, Chaturshringi Temple. The temple was built during the reign of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The tale of the temple goes around a merchant named Dulabh Seth Pitambar Das, who was a devotee of goddess Chaturshringi and wanted to visit all the temples dedicated to the goddess. But as he grew old, he had some problem in commuting, and thus one night the goddess appeared in his dream and told him to dig at a specific place. That's where the temple today stands. At number 7, Raja Dinkar Kelan Museum. This museum has been built in Rajasthani style, which is away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The museum displays a unique collection of artifacts and Indian arts and crafts. The museum has 36 sections with walls being carved with specific traditional paintings. Eighth, National War Museum. The idea was first laid in 1996 and was sponsored by Express Citizens Forum. They set up a war memorial fund and asked the citizens of the city to contribute in it. The memorial is 25-foot stone pillow. Ninth, Parvati Hill. The hill gives you a beautiful and mesmerizing view of the city. It has 108 narrow steps which lead to the temple of Balaji Bajirao. This was once the private shrine of the Peshwas and was the final resting place of Nana Sahib Peshwa. It has a Parvati museum which shows the portraits of the Peshwa rulers and the manuscripts with all points of that era. Tenth, Aga Khan Palace. It was built in 1892 by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III and has witnessed various vital incidents of the history, from being the rescuer of famine-stricken locals to the imprisonment of Mahatma Gandhi. This palace has seen a lot of dreadful incidents. 11th, Athlabs Imagica. This amusement park has a lot to offer to an individual of every age group. There is breathtaking rides, water rides, snow park and various other light and sound shows. Twelfth, Saras Bagh. This place is apt to spend a lazy evening time chilling with the natural beauty of the city. You can also witness the temple which is located on the hillock near the place and view the setting of the sun. Thirteenth, Pataleshwar Cave Temple. Built in the 8th century, it is the temple which is hidden in the heart of the city. It has a Shiva shrine and the place is nestled between modern structures and developments. Fourteenth, Shindi Chatri. This place was built in the 18th century and is a memorial dedicated to a military leader, Maharaj Shindi. There are also photographs and paintings of the Shindi family. 15th, Osho Ashram. This ashram is situated inside the Koregaon Park and is well known for the gala time it gives to its guests. The ashram has a 40-acre medication resort which gives different types of treatments.